say 3, 2, 1, coupé, and we cut.
I think we can do it.
Ready? We can do it. Yes. 3, 2, 1, coupé.
Ci otteniamo.
Sì, possiamo tenere.
Attendez, on fait
Si,
comme
si.
ça. Voilà.
Regardez ça.
Vas-y, on fait comme ça, là.
So the Science Gateway is now inaugurated, and the new era starts for CERN engagement with the citizens from all over the world. Monsieur le Président de la Confédération, Excellencies, dear guests and friends of CERN, it's a great honor and pleasure for me to welcome you all today to the inauguration of CERN Science Gateway, our brand new, emblematic center for scientific education and outreach, targeting people of all ages, starting from 5 years. The primary goal of the Science Gateway is to share with everyone the research we do here to improve our understanding of the universe, and more in general, to share the wonders and the utility of science. And we want to do so in a simple and fascinating manner, accessible to all. This means that there is a huge interest in CERN and in science among the public, and led us to develop the idea and then implement, construct, build a Science Gateway, which will allow us to expand significantly the opportunities we offer to the general public. In particular, with the Science Gateway, we want to contribute to increasing the trust of society in science, because we know that science is absolutely crucial to addressing today's challenges, from health to climate change. In particular, with the Science Gateway, we want to contribute to increasing the trust of society in science, because we know that science is absolutely crucial to addressing today's challenges, from health to climate change. We want to inspire the young people to take up careers in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we want to infuse everyone who comes here with curiosity and a passion for science. For me personally, the Science Gateway, it's a dream that becomes reality. C'est un rêve qui devient réalité. Je dois dire que j'ai du mal à maîtriser mon émotion aujourd'hui. Sono molto emozionata. The Science Gateway is the expression of an extraordinary architectural vision. Renzo Piano visited CERN for the first time in 2017, and later on, inspired by the work we do here and the values we share, he suggested to design and build the Science Gateway.
Grazie. I say collective art, collective work. And so we have to thank everybody, those people, and of course the donors that have been very generous. It's a choral job to make such a building. That's the reason why I wanted to start with all this. Well, today is also a very emotional day, because, you know, up to yesterday evening, this place was a construction site. It was our place, the 500 people place. Today is different. The building is done, finished. We have done our job. So today, this building belongs to you. Buildings are like children. They go away. There's a day when they go away. So please, take it and love it. Bridges do a good job. I love to make bridges. I try to put bridges everywhere. I lose my mind when I have to make a bridge. The walls make a bad job, but the bridges make a good job. So, and like a satellite, this building landed by everything that needs for energy. This building doesn't consume energy. The energy comes from sun. It's very important. You will see the solar panel on the top of this building are making this building zero emission. That is very important. It's a very special point of observation here, CERN, and this building will help. From this point of observation, you understand what the planet Earth is really. The planet Earth is a small spaceship. For years to come, this institution, this place, this building, will inspire new generations, their minds, their knowledge of the fragility of the planet. I'm very proud, very happy, very honored. It was a great challenge, it was a great adventure. It's done. So thank you very much. Take it, it's yours.
CERN has become a reference point for cutting-edge research and advanced technologies worldwide. Science in the service of humanity. An example of excellence in which a group of researchers looks far back, investigating even the origins of our world, while simultaneously looking far ahead, applying new discoveries to improve our lives on this planet, including direct applications in various fields such as medicine. 70 years after the foundation of CERN, with war once again afflicting Europe, I find it significant that we are here with the same purpose for which it was founded, to promote science and research for the benefit of all. Today, celebrating the Science Gateway, a bridge, like Renzo Piano explained to us, that connects CERN to the world. A place where the world discovers CERN. Here, humanity collaborates to solve, with ingenuity and intelligence, some of the greatest challenges of our time. Working in the world of scientific research and technology offers great opportunities, as evidenced by the extraordinary career of Fabiola Gianotti, who I thank for her dedication to this project and for the example she sets every day for young students and researchers around the world. Grazie, Fabiola. Asking why phenomena originate, making hypotheses, verifying their validity, and if the test fails, proposing new explanations. This is a way of thinking and living based on restless curiosity, a trait that was strong in Sergio's makeup. It means training ourselves to exercise our critical thinking and independence of thought, rejecting unfounded theses and being open to questions and debate. It means training ourselves to exercise our critical thinking and independence of thought, rejecting unfounded theses and being open to questions and debate. Our hope is that this same spirit can now be shared by all people, especially the younger generation, who, thanks to the CERN Science Gateway, will be able to approach science, fueling their own curiosity, and actively participate in building our future.
Et dans ce nouveau portail de la science, les scientifiques et les amateurs d'art et d'architecture seront comblés. Car la visite vaut autant pour les formes et les lignes intérieures que pour le contenu des expositions. Les enfants suisses du XXe siècle, dont j'ai fait partie, ont eu le musée des transports de Lucerne. Ceux du XXIe siècle auront le portail de la science du CERN. Le but du portail est en effet de créer un centre d'éducation scientifique et de culture pour inspirer les jeunes générations avec la beauté de la science. Et évidemment, les familiers des diagrammes de Venn conviendront que ce cercle invisible fait du CERN une intersection entre la Suisse, la France et l'Europe, qui symbolise le rattachement à des valeurs communes, non seulement scientifiques, mais également politiques. Le CERN est donc bien un établissement exceptionnel, qui permet à la Suisse, à Genève, de rayonner dans le monde.
Bonjour messieurs.
Color in those kind of small boxes, and then they know if they have to turn left, right, do a dance, turn around, and we tried this with the CERN kindergarten kids.
Yes, yes. They're beautiful.
Yeah, we'll be here all day.
Thank you.
New center for scientific education and activities offered to the public enormously. So for instance,
If you want to know more,
Là, si on tourne, il n'y aura plus d'air pour lancer la bille. Du coup, elle va plus lentement, puisque avec l'air, il y a des moyens. Si je mets là, ça va pointer toujours vers le nord, comme une vraie boussole électromagnétique. Et si on va le mettre ici, tac, électromagnétique, c'est l'électricité. Alors on va... And as this is moving.